Hello people, how you doing? Right, just a really quick video, Jeff B's tip of the day, right? I don't know if it's going to be a new thing, we'll see. Right, anyway, so yesterday I made a roast dinner, and one thing that I used to have Pampered Chef stuff. Now if you know about Pampered Chef, they're like clay or ceramic or whatever, right? And you're not meant to wash them. You're basically, you leave all the grease and everything from your food. That creates a layer to seal the pot in and everything, and you're meant to just soak them after you've cooked. Soak them, then you have this plastic spatula, you scrape off all the loose things, and that's it. You're not meant to use fairy liquid. And it sounds a bit grim, but it's actually, like, it works. It's really good. And I've cooked the best meals in those dishes. They're really good. They're expensive, but I've broken mine now. I haven't got any, right? But now I've used ceramic dishes, and I just find they're much better than the tin. I don't know what it is, but they just seem to cook, like when I do a roast chicken, it just comes out so much better in ceramic than what it does in tin. But even like the same with tin, when you're cleaning the damn things, I know a lot of people got dishwashers. I've just got it's just me living here, and I do my washing up. It ain't a problem, but there's some things, it don't matter how long you soak it for, you can never really seem to clean them. And what I do now, you might be shouting at the screen going, what are you doing? But this works, right? So look, this is my dish from yesterday. Now I've done my chicken in it. Now I've scraped it out, and I've given it a bit of a rinse, and I've used a brush to get like the worst off. And they're the sort of bits like these here. I don't know if you can see these sort of bits, like these brown stains. It don't matter how much you scrub, you could be here for an hour and they're not coming out, or it just takes you real long. So what I do now, once I've got the worst of it out, I use some bleach, right? And I literally just put a bit of bleach in the bottom of that, and then I will put that in my sink, and I'll fill that up with hot water right to the top. But actually I'll fill my sink so it goes, like, overflows and gets a hold of it. And fill the whole sink up so you get the outside as well. And then I'll leave that overnight, and then in the morning, literally, it's like a brand new dish. And obviously, when you put bleach on things that you're going to eat out of, bloody hell, rinse it and rinse it and rinse it, and fairy liquid, and clean it nice and rinse it again. But that works. So anyway, tip of the day, peace.